Hey guys, it's Silver Neko, and let's check out Blackpink's The Album from my personal collection. So, I got this album originally on Amazon on release. As you can see, it's kind of scuffed, but it's been 4 years, what can I say? As you can see, the names of the songs are on the back, and it's like engraved into the back, which is really cool and just like pops with the iridescent vibe going on. I really liked this version and I made sure to get it. I only have one though, by the way. That's a magnetic opening right there, and as you can see, the short nails thing is not working to get out this stuff. Okay, look at that though, the pattern with the two images, that was so good, and the texture on the album itself is really velvety, which is really nice. I loved their first album so much, and you're gonna see this thing like speed up because this photo book is extensive. Of course, it's the girls in the different backgrounds, the purples, the oranges, but let me tell you, there's so many photos to go through. In the second album, we have like a dedicated section to each member, which I think is actually a step up from the first album in terms of like organization, because in order to find every single person, it's like they put every girl one after the other, which is cool. I get the vibe that they're going for, but it was a little tricky to go through everything because I was just like, okay, cool, there was one girl, the other girl. But you know what? I love these shots. I love them so much. Like, just look at the fur on my bias right there, and Rose with the purple, Jenny with the bluish and the purple. That shot with the beads is gorgeous. All of them look absolutely lovely in this photo book. I'm not even gonna lie. Definitely a favorite of mine. Here we go again with the long nails, but here are a bunch of the other stuff that come in the album. It comes in a little sleeve. That's the credits, and those are like the photo cards and stuff, right? So you have this one, which is like mounted on a piece of cardboard, and it's like really shiny with like silvery writing. And of course, oh, not me in the reflection. And then there's a random sticker that you get. It has like, of course, this little iridescent thing going on, and I never actually used it, but you know what? I still got it. My bias photo card, let's go. And then my girl Jisoo right there. It's matte on the back, shiny on the front. Postcard, which is rose, and I got my girls. Oh my god, it's all so pretty. It's all so pretty. And the credits here are in silver writing and black paper, which I thought was pretty suave, not gonna lie. Also, I can't remember if I got Jenny. I don't think I got Jenny, no. Crap, I think I only got Jisoo. That's crazy. Anyways, so these are, first of all, I love these. Fun fact, when I was packing these up, I tore the packaging, and I'm really upset about it. But anyways, as you can see, shiny on the front, matte on the back, very soft velvety thing on the back, by the way. Like the they really spent time in using quality materials on this album. And these shots are absolutely gorgeous of the girls. Absolutely gorgeous. And of course they have the names on the back and all of that, and it's pink. It's really cute. Getting that back in there was a task though. Of course we got the CD, it's pink, and then the writing, you just like pop the light on it and it just shows all of the different tracks on it. This album is absolutely gorgeous. I loved every aspect of it. Bye!